Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you remember on my very first video, I came to a green lake in Slovakia, and if you didn't, have the link down below, you can check it out. That was my very first video. Quality of the sound was terrible, but it was how I started. I decided to come back today to the green lake, more wintry conditions, and I'm really wondering how does it look up there. The hike was very nice, and the lake itself and everything there was really, really cool. So let's go for a hike, and we'll see how it goes today. Forgot to mention that I'm going to a different lake today as well. I don't think it's going to be a lake per se. It's going to be full of snow and ice and everything, but the hike today is about 20 kilometers round trip. So I don't know how much I will film and how much I will photograph. It's going to be a kind of long hike. According to the things, the information I checked, is going to take about 6 to 6.5 hours to complete the hike. So I have to pick up the pace today. Look at this view, guys. Amazing. We have this Slovak second highest mountain. It's over there. It's not there we're going today, but that's the second one. And the day today is super clear. It's going to be very warm. They give like 11 degrees today, so snow is going to start to melt like it was yesterday already. So let's see how the conditions are going to be for this hike. But so far it's very nice and warm. It's like 8 a.m. and we started hiking for like 10 minutes or so. So it looks great so far. So yeah guys, we are going here, 2.5 hours. But before that we're gonna stop in this lake, and then from this lake we're gonna go down that one. So let's go. I've been hiking for around an hour. Yeah, an hour and 10 minutes. Place is really covered in snow. A bit of places are a bit icy and things, but it's really, really nice. The weather is fantastic. Unfortunately, there is no clouds in the sky, so I was thinking to do some long exposures with a 10-second filter I have here, 10 stops. I have 2 of them to give it a try, but I don't think today is going to be the day to do that. But it's what a day for a hike. There's almost nobody on the trail, which is great, and I'm really enjoying it. Haven't found anything yet to photograph that I had interest on, but so far I think this hike has been amazing. Really, really enjoying it. A lot of snow, being out and about. I don't remember when it was the last time I actually came out to nature like this, and I really need this. Like every now and then, this really helps me out. So really, you guys should go out as much as possible anytime you have a chance. And even if you don't take the picture, you go, you take your gear, maybe you'll find something, maybe you don't. Doesn't matter. Matters is you tried. And even though the weather doesn't seem to be fantastic because of no clouds, it's still a good day. Then you can still look around and find compositions and try to use that for your benefit. Hopefully tomorrow morning I'm planning to shoot the sunrise into the mountains I showed you before. It's supposed to be even better the morning tomorrow. So hopefully my 4 a.m. wake up is gonna pay off. This is the not so fun part of the hike. There is a lot of snow. I didn't bring my snowshoes, so keep falling down and getting snow up to my knees. So it's kind of annoying and makes us very, very slow. But we should be almost there, I guess. 25 minutes and we should reach the first lake. So, see, this is the problem I'm having with the snow. This is what I consider hiking with a view. This hike has been much harder than I anticipated. The elevation is quite a lot more than I expected. Seems like I'm still quite far away from the first lake, which I thought I was already reaching. So good old fun. So my first stop when I'm actually taking pictures. Very nice. There is finally no trees, so I have a clear view to the mountains. I'm using my 7200 at 1/25th of a second at f16 ISO 100. I'm doing a zoom very close to the mountain, and I want to capture the details. There has been very clear sky today, and this is the first time I see actually a cloud, so I decided to actually stop and capture the mountain with the cloud. There is no other clouds. I don't know how long it's gonna last. It's quite windy here, so hopefully the sound is good. But now it's very, very windy, and with the 7200 I need more speed, so I don't have any shaking on the camera. So look at the result. As I'm getting more into time lapse, I decided to do a time lapse over here of around 10 seconds time lapse. 240 shots is gonna take me around 11 minutes or so to have it done. So let's see, hopefully the result is good. I just had a lunch with this amazing view, and now I'm actually, I shot a little bit against the sun. I got some stun star as well before, and now I'm just capturing this part of the mountains. I'm shooting at 1/60 of a second at f16 ISO 100. I'm not using any filters as the sun is more to the left. This scene is very nice. Like, this place is super cool. Might be not the best time of the day to be shooting it, but as I'm here and I was actually kind of scouting to see the lake that you cannot see at the moment, to come back in the summer or in the spring and see how the hike is, and know what gear I will need to take at next time. So just doing some exploration and snapping away a little bit. It's crazy windy up here. I hope the sound is good. Soon enough I'm gonna go to the second lake where I was there before in my very first video, as I mentioned. And this time I left my 1635 at home, my favorite lens, and I brought a 12mm. Last time when I was here I needed a wider angle lens, so this time I brought that lens, the 24-70 and the 70-200, so I could cover all the ranges I believe I need. So let's keep going. This path is kicking my ass. Look at this. It's very narrow. You keep sinking, as you can see, the holes on the ground up to your knees sometimes even more. So you just try not to fall down there to the left, and you'll be fine. I'm kind of stuck here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a bit deep and having trouble getting up. Okay guys, I came here to the second lake I wanted to shoot. As you can see, the conditions are less than ideal. You cannot see anything. That is very, very windy. This 1 kilometer was ridiculously hard. That kept sinking, so I think I'm gonna finish the video here. I still have 3 hours to go down. I would like to go down when there is still some sunlight. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.